Here's a look at how to prune back or harvest the dill in your Aerogarden. So you can see my dill is taken over, it's growing past the grow light here. And that means it's time to prune it back or harvest it. So what we're gonna do is take a pair of shears. We wanna sanitize these first so that they're nice and clean. And we're just gonna start to trim this back. And remember, it's sort of like giving your plant a haircut. You're not hurting the plant as long as you limit yourself to at most about 70% of the plant that is going to be remaining afterwards. So we're going to go to the junctions, the points where these plant stems break off and branch off, and we're going to cut right above those junctions. You can see I'm taking the top part off here. And then we're going to start to work our way further down, and we're going to especially focus on the little bits that are growing off the side because these are no longer under the light, as you can see. So we want to keep it low enough to be under the light, but we also want to make sure it's not growing out laterally too far. So you can see I've trimmed that back quite a lot. I've still kept more than 70% of the plant. I'm just going to lower my grow light down here to be just about 2 or 3 inches over the top of the plant at its new height. And that way I'm going to make sure I still get plenty of light. And look at how much dill I took off of there. So pretty impressive. Again, don't do more than about 70%. You don't want to shock the plant. But now I've got that beautiful harvest. I've got a much better growing plant here that's under the light. It's not so far out to the side.